it's black and white. It's like a horizontal. I'm going to say. Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is Stitch Fix for the month of November. Let's dive in. What are the beauties that we got? And before we dive in, if you're stopping by for the first time, I'm so happy that you're here, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so happy that you're here, and welcome back. Now let's dive in. So here is the envelope. Oh, hello. That's what it says. Hello. Alright, and it has like some of the styling ideas in here. Okay, the first beauty that I have is this one, and the fabric is really good. It's so good. And this is from the brand 9 Breton knit square neck dress, and it's in the navy and medium. Let's see, what do they mean by square neck? Oh, okay, so here is the neck, but it's still here, so I'm not sure like how it's going to look. It has like navy blue and polka dots, kind of teeny tiny dots. Okay, so that's the first one, and let me see what's the price on. The price on that one is the $54, and let's see what we have next. And I'm really excited about this one. So this is the pant that I got. So black and white zebra, and I think this is going to be like high waist or something like that. And this is from the brand 151. It's a printed wide leg pant, and this is in the medium size. Retails for $38. And here are the outfit ideas, and next we have a couple more, and I'm going to try all of these. And here is the next one, and this is what market plus sports brushed knit cardigan, and this was in the white. Okay, and this one retails for $38. So that is that. And next we have this beauty. So let me see what this one is. Okay, sleeves, that doesn't want to come out. Oh, this looks really big. So it is one pocket t-shirt, and this one retails for knit top $30, and this is in the color black. Okay, two of them I got in black and one in white and the other one in navy blue. Alrighty, so we are off to our last product, and I really love this one. So here are the earrings that I got, and it's a 5-piece earring set and retails for $36. So here are the ones. So this one, this one, this, and this, and this. These are like really small kind of earrings. So I like all of these. One pocket knit top for $30. So here is the neck, which is kind of good, and the sleeves are also good. And I thought it's going to be really big, but it's not. It's like the right length for me. So it's still here, and more like high, kind of high-low situation here. So it's little high, and here is little low. And the sleeves are also good. And in the back, this is how it looks. And in the front, this is how it looks. And it's going to be really like comfortable for the night outs or something like that, or just chilling around. It's going to be really good because it's not going to show up anything for me here, so which is good. All right, let me put this on. cardigans we have it in here. Is the cardigan, and this one retails for $38. So this is how it looks, and the fitting is really good. I'm not sure like who my stylist is. I'm not sure if they say it in here, but whoever it is, they're doing a really nice job. That's for sure, because I'm getting really nice nice products, and that do fit me well. And I am 5 feet nothing, and I'm a petite person, but this do fit me well, so I'm really comfortable about that. So here is the, what is that, pant. It's a wide leg pant, retails for $38. So that is that. So it's this wide, not that really wide, more like palazzo pants, not like really wide leg, but it is kind of. And this is how it looks in the back. I just paired it with the same t-shirt that we got in Stitch Fix. I just kept a knot in here such that you will be able to see my pant well. And here is the elastic. So here is how it looks, and it did kind of conceal my, what is that, tummy. Okay, so only drawback is they don't have the pockets. I was under the impression that this is going to have the pockets, but it don't. And this is a keeper for me. I really love it because it's, as I said, the length matters and the fitting matters. So it's the right length for me. So I love it. And it's black and white. It's like a horizontal or vertical. It's the vertical stripes. So I'm going to keep this one, and I'm going to try this on. So this is the polka dots dress. Here is the dress, and I'm not sure because I like the sleeves. It's the neck, as I was worried about, and that's like too deep than what I am comfortable wearing with, because I have a kid and she usually like holds my clothes and then whatnot. So I usually prefer if it's like a little higher in neck. That would be like, I don't mind holding her and then running behind her. So I prefer if it is like a little up till here. So that is that. It's just me. And this is how it looks from back, and it's the size is like just above the knees. And the strange thing is that it kind of looked really well, and it paired well with my wide leg pants. That's pretty much it, guys, and hopefully you loved today's video, and if you do, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.